you've gained some knowledge about this condition, and hopefully that gives you encouragement, and that's really what this is about. But certainly love to answer a few more questions and then get you home if there are a few. Yes, Ms. Fincher.
Lippy here. Since I've had my T20 injections, and I've had all of them, the Lucentis I've had the most of. I've had about this when I was in Hawaii that time. But I did have the allergic reaction to the Macogen, and you said you were surprised because that's supposed to be always different. So I was just wondering on this VEGF, that's the latest one. I'm anxious to try that one. And plus the other thing that you want me to do. But thank you so much. You've all been wonderful. God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you. Anybody else? Oh, Dr. Tapper.
I have wondered about the substitution soy milk and for a lot of the dairy milk. And then I've done that. Then I was told that it's hard on the prostate gland. Is there anything to that?
You're a little low for me. Soy has an estrogen component to it, doesn't it? You know something about that?
There's a lot of new concepts that have come out recently. I can get into the really basic molecular biology behind this, but whenever we eat something, there are regulatory molecules that are found in the nucleic acids of like plant products, soy, milk, etc., which actually play a role in regulating certain things. In particular, soy in general has RNA, which can actually regulate certain hormonal aspects that can affect your prostate. Now, this all really, you must be a physician because, this is still in the very, very basic science, which I'm very involved in. But we're not quite sure exactly. We've seen the association, like with the soy concept versus the milk concepts in prostate, but we don't know why, and we're trying to explain it. So at this stage, I wouldn't advise anything based on what we know about that relationship.
Any other questions? Yes. You see, Dr. Tapley, one question often opens up other questions.
Yes.
And once in a while we get answers. Yes. Yes.
Me?
Yes.
This goes back to this morning's and the vitamin A versus beta carotene. Is it the same?
No. Vitamin A depends on the form it comes in. So beta carotene actually is two vitamin A's bound together, and it has to have one process by your body to break it apart, to make it into the typical vitamin A that we get. There are other forms of vitamin A, for example, vitamin A palmitate, which are a purer form. Just think of it like gasoline. Okay, you have diesel, you have 89 octane, and you have 93 octane, right? So beta carotene is like diesel fuel. And so it has to be converted, and it's not as combustible. And then the vitamin A palmitate is like 93 octane, which gives you really a lot of push, and it can enhance your vision, but it can also do a lot of problems for your liver. And then you have the 89, which is typically the vitamin A that you find in normal like supplements.
Is that about it for today?
No. Before we thank our speakers, we have a drawing. Freedom Scientific is offering a portable reader.
That's awesome.
And they've been taking raffle tickets here. And you want to?
Let's have one of these ladies. Red Davis has got him here. Somebody can pick it.
And I hope I say this right. Loletta Megers? No? Well, you don't have to be present to win, so Loletta will be receiving one by Wednesday. We'll ship it out to her.
Very nice. Very nice.
I want to thank particularly Dr. Dana Dupree. This has been just a fabulous program, and all our speakers. I think you all, I think the questionnaires are going to reflect your pleasurable experience here, the learning experience. So again, on behalf of the Macular Degeneration Association, I want to thank our panel, Dr. Dupree, for their presence and contribution today. Thank you.
Thank you, Larry. Certainly, once again, it's all about you guys. We appreciate you being here and being such a great audience. Thank you. And good night.
Please remember to turn in your evaluation forms and your name tags at the registration table.